Hey parents, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on looking at our Symbaloo page here. On the Symbaloo page, the bottom half pretty much is for the kids. Those are going to be quick launch spots where we're going to be using different activities in the classroom. I have them go here to get there. This is their Edmodo page. If you see this at-home practice button right here, when you click on it, it'll expand. Here are some quick at-home activities to go into. 10 marks, read theory, no red ink, Quizlet. We've been working really hard to where the kids know all their sign-ins for everything. It's almost the same with every program, but occasionally we do have different sign-ins. Now you'll notice on the top part here, we have an M, a W, and an S. Math links, writing links, science links. If you were to click on math links, that'll take you over to some of the math links we have. I don't have a lot of math links in here currently because of all the technology we have been learning and working on. SumDog is a practice program. You're welcome to do that at the house too for homework. There are multiplication strategies that we've gone over. For example, if you click on here, you can see that there's lots of tutorial videos that are from YouTube if we haven't made them ourselves. Anytime you see a present icon, it basically means that there are other activities in that icon. This one here, class math videos. These are actually videos that the kids have created within the class and have made themselves. So you can watch the kids' videos. There's more to be uploaded. Right now, that's what we have. And going back to the main Symbaloo, we have writing links. Right now, the Storybird right here, this is a writing activity the kids can do at their house, and they can import art from various artists and write stories like that. So that would be a fun activity for them. Their writing journals are digital. Instead of having a composition notebook that's stuffed in their desk that you never get to see, they have an online digital version of a writing journal. We usually write Monday through Thursday and we edit on Fridays, and you'll see by clicking on here all of your children's journals. So when you go into your child's journal, you'll be able to look and see what their daily writings are. The way this is set up, they won't be able to edit their writing from home, but I'm going to make another video and to show you a suggestion on how to work on that. You are welcome to look at the other children and what they are writing so that you all can talk about that and maybe get some ideas for some of the writings that you're doing at the house. So that would be our writing journals. Going back to the main website, the main Wolfpack website page is here. It just houses basic information. When you launch that, it'll take you over to the full website. How to follow us on Twitter. You have your tabs up here at the top where you can click on to find out a little bit more information. This is not as active as the Symbaloo and the Class Dojo, so that's where you're going to find the bulk of the information that we'll be utilizing. Going back up here, there's a living document. Basically, when you click on this, it's a Google Doc, and it's the things that we've done in class. Now, to expand this out from this little square here, which is blocking advertisements if you're watching a YouTube video, which this is not, basically you just go up here, you click this little box with that arrow, and you will go to the actual site where the document's housed. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see various activities, links, information. I haven't added as much to this lately, but this will be picking up again. So you can see it right here. Here are some videos that we made from instruction in class. Anytime you see a video here, 99% chance it's going to be also available on the Symbaloo. So if you were in this section here and you want to go back, you can click on this little Symbaloo word here, or you can click the X over here, and it'll take you back to your main site. We've been talking about Thinkmarks in class. By clicking on this, you'll notice that you can have printable Thinkmarks. Once again, to pop that out to see what it is, click right here. And you can print this out at your house, and you can have these be suggestions for Thinkmarks. If you have a fiction book, a non-fiction book, what does the author teach you? These are just questions you can ask. This poster here talks about the post-it notes and what we're using post-it notes for in class. They're using a post-it note with symbols on them, And if they have a question for a confusing part, they'll put a question mark and they put that post-it on the page that they had the question, or to visualize something, an important part. So we're having the kids do this in class. It would be fantastic for you to do it at home. I think you'll find discussing what they're reading even more enjoyable when they go ahead and do this. So we have worked on a few. If there's a mark on here that they want to create on their own, by all means create it. But mark the books with the post-its and then discuss them when you're finished a section of a book or a chapter or whatever they're done reading for the evening. So that's a quick tutorial tour of our site here. BrainPop Junior, just some sites that we haven't gone into in depth yet, but we'll be using more. And this survey over here and your learning style, those are just some things that we use to find out how people were learning and what kind of books they were interested in. So your big links are going to be, if I'm doing something in math and there's a special way, I guarantee there's probably going to be a video for it, and if not, it'll be up soon under math links. So that's the quick look at our Symbaloo page that we house our information on, and I'll make another video showing you how you can help with writing shortly after.